Hidden beneath oceans, a single fiber cut can reroute continents of traffic. What happens next? In milliseconds, OTDR traces show a near vertical power collapse where light stops returning. Operators see the cut instantly. An OTDR times backscatter. When the backscatter vanishes, it draws a vertical wall. Milliseconds and kilometers become a precise outage location. Subsea repeaters detect the loss and flip into protection modes, their LEDs and alarms telling operators which span lost light. Amplifiers sense input collapse and engage protection relays, briefly holding or shedding gain, while operators triage the outage. Routers withdraw paths and advertise alternates. Within seconds, traffic begins flapping to other cables across oceans. Pre-planned BGP policies and spare capacity let Terabits detour, swapping routes automatically while teams monitor the impact. Combining OTDR returns from both ends with acoustic spikes and tension data narrows the break to a few hundred meters. Cross-correlating signals from both ends and acoustic sensors gives crews a repair corridor precise enough to deploy a splice ship. Splice ships often work at night. Under floodlights, crews haul armored cable aboard and steady both ends for repair. Deck crews use hydraulics and protective bedding to secure and prepare the cable for precise fusion splicing under controlled conditions. Fusion splicers align fibers to micrometer precision so the glass cores are perfectly centered before the weld. An electric arc melts the ends into one glass bead. When cooled, the joint passes loss tests measured in fractions of a decibel. Technicians cover the weld with heat shrink and strength wraps, mechanically protecting the glass joint before testing. Post-splice OTDR and power measurements confirm the loss is acceptable, so the repaired fiber is cleared to carry traffic again. When one cable is cut, terabits are simply detoured across spare corridors, trading a bit of latency for continued service. Networks absorb terabits across longer routes. Engineers trade increased latency and tight capacity for continuity of critical services. After a cut, teams log every detail and often plan new diversity projects to reduce future single-point failures. Incident reviews lead to investment and new corridors. Each cut reshapes how operators build resilience into global networks. Networks reroute and crews repair. Resilience grows.